Number 2, we're going to factor. And now we're going to determine if there are any holes. There are not any holes because there are no factors that cancel out. So I'm going to write none. And we do have 2 vertical asymptotes. We have a vertical asymptote at the -2. Remember, it's always opposite of the denominator. So -2 and +1. And now we're going to find our horizontal asymptote, the degree war. So most of my degrees are at the bottom, so I know the horizontal asymptote again is going to be y equals 0. For your zeros, remember we are going to get the zeros from the numerator. Whatever would make that 0 is going to be the zeros or the x-intercept. We can't let x, if x was a -4, that'd be a -8, which is okay. But if x is a +4, that means it's going to cross the x-axis at +4, 0. So remember, it's just opposite of what's going on in the numerator. For the y-intercept, you are going to do order of operations. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in 0 everywhere we find the letter x. And we're just going to do our order of operations. So that's going to be 2 times a -1 on the bottom. So it's going to be -4 divided by a -2. So our y-intercept is going to be 0, 2. And last but not least is certainly going to be our domain. For our domain, we're going to include everything except these numbers. So it's going to be -∞ to -2, -2 to +1, and then it is going to be 1 to infinity. And just remember to have those used in between both of your answers there.